The National Fund for Sustainable Development, an implementing agency for the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development of Mozambique, hosted the South-South Exchange Program between Nepal and Mozambique, with financial support from the Forest Carbon Partnership Facility from 12th to 17th of December 2022. Both Nepal and Mozambique are Forest Carbon Partnership Facility countries.
This exchange of experience had three main components. The first was monitoring, reporting and verification. The second was about programs and projects related with REDD+. And the third one was about carbon markets.
The participants shared knowledge, challenges, lessons learned and experiences on the preparation of emissions reduction measurement, monitoring, reporting and verification process, transactions and carbon markets through workshop presentations, focus group discussions with the experts, held separate meetings with the technical groups, and exchanged information on data analysis techniques from both countries.
The first MRV report that we plan to submit. We expect to have the first tranche received by end of June, early July. That's our plan.
Under the Emission Reductions Program, Forest Carbon Partnership Facilities Carbon Fund provide performance-based payment to the REDD+ country participants. This will play an important role in imbuing incentives and value for preserving and conserving forests.
I saw a lot of commonalities in terms of challenges, and the bigger challenge we have still being the capacity on the forest monitoring. So we need to exchange this experiences on the forest monitoring, where we are going to use and take advantage of new technology to improve our monitoring systems.
Right? If your deforestation event is here.
Besides that, they have so much more to learn from one another. For Nepal, a comprehensive benefit sharing plan with detailed breakdown of the benefits received by the number of beneficiaries was something they felt they needed to work on.
In our case, we have not developed such a very broad system, so we have a lot of place for improvement. Now we have developed a system in a different platform, so it would be better for us to organize in such a way that we can also show our information within one platform.
Have the coordinates? Do we register the coordinates?
Do you have the coordinates for folk?
Yes.
Yeah.
A very important thing to take into consideration is to have all your data well organized, all your reports, all the evidence of implement activities that you did on the ground. You have to have all this data set ready to show the validation body.
What about if the tree is more than that 50?
Yeah, then we have the true pulse, kind of like which measures, does the calculation.
Each country participating in Forest Carbon Partnership Facility addresses the challenges of deforestation and forest degradation in its own way and contributing valuable experience to the partnership. This is how Forest Carbon Partnership Facility is maximizing its learning value by testing various approaches. As the knowledge exchange envisage of a sustainable collaboration between Mozambique and Nepal, the exchange program achieved its goal of establishing partnerships between technical teams of the monitoring, reporting and verification unit of both countries to further exchange their area of expertise on National Forest Inventory System. Both countries have used different models for permanent sampling plots, which play an important role in biomass estimation for national forest inventories.
The collaboration that we are doing is using the information that we have for the permanent plots in Mozambique, the field measurements. We will use this information and the expertise that the Nepalese team has to produce some biomass maps using the satellite data. So that's what we're looking for to collaborating over the next few months, and hopefully we can produce some scientific paper or report.